Hello, this is a very nice presentation of a challenge lock made by Fabian for his blue belt, and I'll be the first to try to pick it, so I'm honored. It's called the Firstborn, and there it is, very nice. This is to protect the nice coating you put on the lock. When I clamp it up in the vise, well, we have the keys, of course. Won't touch those. Oh, they're quite snug. Okay, and another piece of foam to protect the cylinder. On the back of this card are the instructions. Use a piece of rubber to protect the coating on the lock. Okay, nothing special rules wise, so let's try to pick. Put these to the side. Oh, first thing he does is forget the protective layer. There we go. Let's adjust this a little bit. So, let's see how this goes. I'm going to try top of the keyway tensioning. Maybe 1 millimeter fits. No. And let's just start with my medium hook. All set. Deeper faucet. And we're open. That was not too bad, but fun. Let's gut it and see what's inside. He showed me some pins yesterday he made for another challenge lock, and they were nasty. So I'm really curious what's inside here. I expect not the pins he showed me. Where are my shims? I should clean up. Maybe. Oh, let's start with a tray. I put them in a drawer. Shims. have to find them because I'm not. Ah, there you are. It fell over. I'm not going to gut an unknown challenge lock without shims. I really made a mess of my desk. There. Alright, tweezers. I've got shims. Tweezers follow it. Let's start with the circlip. Try to not damage that nice coating he put on. A little further. Okay, this can be closed because I have the key. If I can get that one out, it's probably screwed onto the box. Let's say this. Yep. Yep, that's it. Oh, smart. He made a lot of work of his first challenge lock. I like that. The bitting. Nice. Low and high, everything. Key still works. Shim. Always try to shim challenge locks because you never know what modifications are in there. I tend to forget that sometimes, but all right. Four pins. All right. Let's start with the key pins. First one. Ooh, that's extreme. Torpedo, another torpedo. Serrated. These are very well done. And kind of a reverse T-pin where tweezers. It looks a little bit like a old World War II hand grenade. Something like that. Alright. Tweezers. Let's look at the driver pins. A spool. T-pin. Tapered. Very serrated. And another spool. Let's have a look at the springs. See if they're all the same. This is double spring. This one as well. Probably the springs that came with the lock. Oh, I see another modification. And that's of course why this is for. Because if you look in here, you can see the first chamber is threaded, and especially if you overset this very extreme spooled key pin, that would get caught in the, yeah, that would definitely get caught in the threading. No other modifications, no. Let's have a look at the core. Plug is unmodified. I think especially with these very thin-lipped, spool on one combined with the thin-lipped spooled key pin, the threading in the first chamber would have been very nasty. Let's take a look at the other pins. Stack 2, another torpedo. Where is it? Can't find focus. There, very thin-lipped, a little bit tapered as well. Didn't really notice that. Okay, and then there's this one. Don't know how to call it. Sort of reverse T-pin, or a sort of a T-pin. I'm not sure if this is it's sloped. If this really made it more difficult. I think it would have been more difficult if it had been straighter. The third set is all serrations. This is the key pin. The light is really annoying. This is the key pin. And this is the nice driver pin. These pins are very nicely made, by the way. Very tidy. And this is the last key pin. Very slim. And this might fool you when you overset it and it is the last pin, because otherwise it just drops back because it doesn't get caught. If it is the last pin to bind and you overset it, that would be very it would give you a very deep false set, I think. And another spool driver. Oh, double spool. There's a very thin extra lips. This is a bit more serrated spool. Very nicely made pins. Very fun. The coating with the Firstborn on it and his name. Sad to see it's already damaged a little bit. And I was so careful. Oh, that happens. Anything else to show? No, I don't think so. Not the hardest challenge lock, but I really like how well it is made. So I think we can expect many good things from Fabian. Thank you for watching.